ABCs, phonemes, and vocabulary builder. Letters X, Y, Z. This is the letter X. X goes X, X, X. Let's practice saying X. X, 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 X. This X is getting an X-ray. X, X, X-ray. Show how the X-ray makes the letter X. A fox tucks in a box. My extreme axe, wax, mix is made with exactly 6 oxen. This is the letter Y. Y goes y, y, y. Let's practice saying Y. Y, 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 Y. This Y is yellow. Y, y, yellow. Show the shape of the yellow Y. You yelled yes yesterday. My yogurt eating yak yearns to leave my yard. This is the letter Z. Z goes Z, Z, Z. Let's practice saying Z. Z, 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 Z. This Z is made of zippers. Z, Z, zippers. Show how the zippers make the letter Z. There are 0 zebra zeppelins. I zipped to the zoo, zig-zagging in my zany Zamboni. Good job! We have done letters X, Y, and Z.